Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add a new card to your Klarna account. So if you've been wondering how to add a new card to your Klarna account, this video is for you. I'm going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. It's going to be a really quick video, so let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to log into your Klarna account. You can log in on the official website, or you can log in on the mobile app. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the payments method tab. So just go to payments method tab, and then once you have that open up, you're going to click on add new card. Next thing you're going to do, of course, is to enter the new card details, and once that's accurate, you want to make sure you review it to make sure the information is without any errors, and then save that to Klarna. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add a new card to your Klarna account. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.